target market and your customers. Understanding the target market and your customers is essential for success in the appliance repair business. The target market for appliance repair services includes both residential and commercial customers. Residential customers consist of homeowners, tenants, landlords who rely on appliances for their everyday needs. Commercial customers include businesses such as restaurants, hotels, and laundromats, which heavily depend on appliances to operate their establishments. Within the residential market, there are specific customer segments for you to consider. For example, homeowners with high-end appliances may be willing to pay a premium for specialized repair services. On the other hand, lower income households may prioritize affordability and seek cost-effective repair options. And this is, just the way it is in the appliance repair field. You have to know your clientele. It is important to analyze the demographics and psychographics of your target market to tailor your marketing efforts and services to meet their specific needs. Conducting market research and surveys can provide valuable insights into customer preferences, pain points, I call them, and expectations. So this was just a short spiel of advice on recognizing your customers and recognizing and identifying your target market. I thank you all for watching. Please take care and stay well.